How to redeem and use One4all gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be discussing about redeeming and using One4all gift card online. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any of the web browser on your computer device or your mobile device and simply go ahead and type in One4all in the search bar and hit enter. Then we'll come across various websites from where you're supposed to click on the initial one that says One4all multi-store gift cards, and as soon as you do that, you will come across the official website of One4all, and you have to choose any of the gift cards you'd like to purchase from the options below. Click on buy now option, and then you will be taken to this kind of interface in order to add to the cart. After you have checked the card amount and the quantity, simply go ahead and click on add to cart option. And now simply locate the add discount code option and click on it. And here on this designated area, simply enter the discount code you want to use and simply click on apply discount, that is highlighted in red color. And if this code is valid, your discount will be applied. Then proceed to check out and complete the process. So that's all for today's tutorial. If you want more videos on this topic, comment below and we'll bring you more tutorial like this. In the meantime, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.